Welcome to the heart of 6 seasons rural Bangladesh, where the vibrant decoration of nature unfolds in a mesmerizing display. In these 3 minutes videos, we will explore the beauty of a Bangladesh village, where life is linked with the rhythm of the seasons. The landscape is adorned with towering trees, creating a serene haven for the villagers. Below, farmers diligently cultivate their land, bringing a different crop to life each season. From rice paddies swaying in the breeze to golden fields of mustard flowers, Bangladesh villages are a testament to the country's agricultural prowess. In the winter months, the landscape transforms into a sea of yellow as mustard flowers bloom, creating a breathtaking panorama. The air is filled with the sweet perfume of these vibrant blossoms, casting a spell of tranquility over the village. Life in a Bangladesh village is not just about the scenic landscapes, it is about the resilient spirit of its people. Villagers can be seen working together in the fields, tending to their crops with a sense of unity that defines the rural lifestyle. In this short journey, we have only scratched the surface of the enchanting beauty that is a Bangladesh village. A harmonious blend of nature, agriculture, and community, where every season paints a new chapter in the canvas of rural life. Children find a playground for their dreams within the fields where crops are once harvested. Here, in the open expanse, the timeless game of cricket spread out, echoing with laughter and the pure joy of childhood. Cricket, a sport woven into the fabric of new Bangladeshi culture, becomes a source of friendship and connection. The simple joy of a game binds the community together, transcending generations and fostering a sense of unity. Thank you so much for watching the video. Welcome to the heart of 6 seasons.